Hi students, welcome back. Today I will be going through top 10 question and answers on electromagnetism which has repeatedly come in ICSE exam. So let's start. Question number 1. State two causes of energy loss in a transformer. This has come in ICSE 2017. So what's the answer? 1. Energy loss due to eddy currents. Second bit, energy loss due to hysteresis. Question 2. State the function of transformer. This has come in year 2017. The answer is the main function of transformer is to increase or decrease the amplitude of an alternating EMF or voltage. Question number 3. From the diagram given below, what will you observe? First part, when the magnet is dropped into the coil. The answer is, when the magnet is dropped into the coil, the galvanometer will show deflection as long as the magnet completely enters inside the coil. Second part, what will you observe when the number of turns of the coil is increased? The answer is, the induced EMF will increase and the deflection in galvanometer will also increase. Third part, what will be the direction of current flowing through the coil when the magnet is dropped in? Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? The answer is anti-clockwise from A to B as shown in the figure. The fourth part, state the law which explains this observation. Lenz's law. The current induced in the coil is such that it opposes the cause of its origin. Now question number 4. Which coil of a step-off transformer is made thicker and why? This has come in ICSE 2016. Let's see the answer. The wire of primary coil is made thicker than the secondary coil in the step-off transformer because high current flows through the primary coil. The coil in which current flows at a higher rate or high current flows, we have to make it thicker. Question number 5. Why does a current carrying freely suspended solenoid rest along a particular direction? This has come in ICSE 2015. Let's see the answer. Current carrying freely suspended solenoid behaves just like a bar magnet with fixed polarities, north and south pole at its ends. Second part of the question. State the direction in which it rests. It rests in north and south direction exactly in the same manner as the bar magnet does. Question number 6. Name the device used to increase the voltage at the generating station. Answer is step-up transformer. The second part of the question, name a common device that uses electromagnets. Answer is electric bell, which uses a horseshoe electromagnet. You can also write electric motor, lifts, electric amplifier, loudspeaker, microphone, anything as you think. Any common device you can write it. Question number 7. Name two factors on which the magnitude of an increased EMF in the secondary coil depends. From the question you can see the secondary coil means it is referring to transformer? So the answer is the magnitude of induced EMF in the secondary coil depends on the following two factors. First one, the ratio of the number of turns in the secondary coil to the number of turns in the primary coil, that is turns ratio. Second, the magnitude of EMF applied in the primary coil. I have explained more on this in my video on transformer. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Now, second part. In the following diagram, an arrow shows the motion of the coil towards the bar magnet. State in which direction the current flows, A to B or B to A. It is from A to B. Name the law used to come to this conclusion. It's Lenz's law. It states that the direction of induced EMF or induced current always tends to oppose the cause which produces it. Question number 8. You have been provided with a solenoid AB as shown in the figure. What is the polarity at the end A? Answer is north polarity. Looking at the face of the loop, if the current around that face is in anti-clockwise direction, the face has north polarity. While if the current at the face is in clockwise direction, the face has the south polarity. I have explained this concept in my previous video on electromagnetism. Do check it out. Second part, give one advantage of electromagnet over permanent magnet. The magnetic field strength can be changed in electromagnet but not in permanent magnet. This has come in ICSE 2013. Question number 9. What is the function of split rings in a DC motor? Answer is when the coil rotates, the split path of a ring rotate with it to flow the current in armature coil in such a way that it always keep on rotating in one direction. So the function of split ring in a DC motor is that it keeps rotating or it helps in rotating in one direction. Second part. State one advantage of AC over DC. Answer is DC can be stored in a battery but AC cannot be stored. Third part. What is an AC generator or a dynamo used for? Name the principle on which it works. An AC generator or a dynamo is used to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. It works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This has come in ICSE 2012. Now question number 10. The diagram below shows the current carrying loop or a circular coil passing through a sheet of cardboard at the points M and N. The sheet of cardboard is sprinkled uniformly with the iron fillings. Now first part of the question is copy the diagram and draw an arrow on the circular coil to show the direction of current flowing through it. The direction of current always flow from the positive end of the battery to the negative. So it will always flow from M to N. Now second bit. So we have drawn this diagram and shown the arrows. Second bit is draw the pattern of arrangement of the iron fillings when the current is passed through the loop. Anti-clockwise around M and clockwise around N. The iron fillings arrange themselves like anti-clockwise around M and clockwise around N. How will we know that? By applying right hand thumb rule. If we hold the current carrying conductor in right hand, then the fingers encircle the wire in the direction of magnetic field lines. Thank you for watching. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel.